your head down. Yeah, you're in the mood. Oh, to come unwind. There's something in the air, something different.
आज हम लोग नाउन और उसकी अलग अलग काइंड्स भेदों के बारे में पढ़ना है। इसके पहले भी मैं आप लोगों को ये बतला चुका हूं कि नाउन के 5 भेद होते हैं। बताया ना? व्यक्तिवाचक, जातिवाचक, समूहवाचक, द्रव्यवाचक और भाववाचक। In English, a noun has 5 kinds: proper noun, common noun, collective noun, material noun, and abstract noun. All these things have already been explained. मैं इनकी व्याख्या पहले ही कर चुका हूं। अब तक जो मैंने व्याख्या की है जिन चीजों की, वे हैं पार्ट्स ऑफ स्पीच, then their number. What is the number of parts of speech? How many parts of speech are there? What are the names of the parts of speech? Clear? Then I have also discussed about about the meaning of this word. The meaning of this word is name. इस शब्द का अर्थ है नाम। Then originated. From where has this word come out? This word has come out from the Latin word nimbus, which means name. After that, I have also defined, मैंने इसकी परिभाषा भी बताया आपको कि noun is the name of a place, person or thing. उसके बाद मैंने इसके भेदों की चर्चा की और मैंने अभी भी कहा कि नाउन हैज 5 काइंड्स। मैंने इनका नाम भी बतलाया: प्रॉपर नाउन, कॉमन नाउन, कलेक्टिव नाउन, मटेरियल नाउन एंड एब्स्ट्रैक्ट नाउन। क्लियर? अब हम लोग डेफिनेशन, तो इसकी भी चर्चा हम लोग कर चुके हैं। वी हैव ऑल्सो डिस्कस्ड अबाउट द डेफिनेशंस ऑफ द काइंड्स ऑफ नाउन। What is proper noun? Proper noun is the name of a place, person or thing. Clear? What is a common noun? A common noun is the name of all races, whole species. जो पूरी जाति का बोध करता है उसे हम जातिवाचक से कहते हैं। Third is collective noun. A collective noun is the name of a group of same kinds of things. Clear? For example, bunch of peas, bouquet of flowers, cluster of grass, team of players. Understand? A team is a group of players, only players. Then the number 4 is material noun. To define this noun, I have told that a material noun is the name of uncountable things which we cannot count. Understand? We can either weight or measure. Weight or measure. Clear? And number 5th, abstract noun. It is the name of a thought or idea. An abstract noun is the name of a thought or idea. ठीक है? ये सोच का नाम है, ये विचार, भाववाचक, ये भावना है, फीलिंग है। What is an abstract noun? It's a feeling. Understand? चलिए, आज हम लोग इस पॉइंट पे विचार करेंगे। नंबर 6 क्या लिखा हुआ है? work of noun and its kinds. Work of noun and its kinds. So what is the work of noun? Understand? Let us see. What is the work of noun? Its work is to tell the name. The work of noun is to tell the name of anything. The work of noun is to tell the name of anything. Clear? Now, what is the work of proper noun? You may ask this question. What is the work of a proper noun? Its work is to tell the name of a particular person, place, or thing. Work of proper noun. Work of proper noun. Work of proper noun. What is the work of proper noun? To tell the name. To tell the name. To tell the name of a particular person, place, or thing. Understand? This is the work of proper noun. Now next, what is the work of common noun? To tell, to denote the name of whole species. What is the work of common noun? The work of common noun is to denote the name of all or entire races or species. Understand? Then, what is the work of a collective noun? The work of a collective noun is to tell the name of a group of same kinds of things. The work of a collective noun is to tell the name of a group of same kinds of things. है ना? समूहवाचक एक ही प्रकार की वस्तुओं का समूह का नाम है. Number 4, what is material noun? What is the work of material noun? Its work is to tell the name of uncountable things. What is the work of material noun? Its work is to tell the name of uncountable things. द्रव्यवाचक का काम क्या है? विभिन्न द्रव्यों का, विभिन्न है ना वस्तुओं का जिसे हम गिन नहीं सकते हैं, है ना, उनका नाम बतलाना इसका काम है. अब आखिरी वाले में आ जाए, एब्स्ट्रैक्ट नाउन. व्हाट इज द वर्क ऑफ एब्स्ट्रैक्ट नाउन? द वर्क ऑफ एन एब्स्ट्रैक्ट नाउन इज टू टेल द नेम ऑफ अ थॉट और आइडिया. I am repeating this sentence. I am speaking it again. An abstract noun is the noun which tells the name of a thought or idea. And what is the work? Finally, what is the work of noun? The work of noun is to tell the name of anything. तो इस तरह से हम लोगों ने कितने प्रश्नों के जवाब सीख गए? वर्क ऑफ नाउन, वर्क ऑफ प्रॉपर नाउन, वर्क ऑफ कॉमन नाउन, वर्क ऑफ कलेक्टिव नाउन, वर्क ऑफ मटेरियल नाउन एंड वर्क ऑफ एब्स्ट्रैक्ट नाउन. तो आप साथ साथ परिभाषा के साथ साथ इसका यूज यानी प्रयोग भी सीख रहे हैं. ठीक है? तो आपको नाउन का प्रयोग करने में आराम होगा. नाउन को ढूंढने में आपको क्या होगा? आराम होगा. इट विल बी इजी टू फाइंड आउट नाउन एंड इट विल ऑल्सो बी इजी टू आइडेंटिफाई द पर्टिकुलर काइंड्स ऑफ नाउन. अंडरस्टैंड? सपोज आई आस्क यू वाटर. व्हाट इज द नेम ऑफ व्हिच नाउन? Material noun. Huh? Sand. Sand is the name of material noun. Feeling, education, knowledge is the name of abstract noun. Understand? So this was the kinds of noun. I hope you have understood. मैं समझता हूं आप लोग समझ गए, ठीक है। अब इसके बाद जो नेक्स्ट चैप्टर हम चालू करेंगे वो नाउन ऑफ जेंडर होगा। क्या होगा? नाउन ऑफ जेंडर। अब नाउन हैज बीन डिवाइडेड इनटू 4 genders. Noun has been divided into 4 genders. Understand? Before this, we need to know the definition of the word gender. What is gender? A gender is the definition of a gender is a symbol which makes difference, which draws the line of difference between male and female. Understand? English language has 4 genders. English language has 4 genders. Masculine, feminine, common and neutral gender. Understand? That the word gender is clear, the concept of gender is clear to you. Gender is nothing but a symbol. Gender is nothing but a symbol which draws line of difference between male and female. Clear? Between common and neutral. What is masculine gender? Very common question. Huh? It is quite but natural to ask this question. What is masculine gender? Masculine gender is a gender which comes for male people, which comes for male पुरुष। पुलिंग जो है शब्द वो किसके लिए आता है? पुरुष वर्ग के लिए आता है, पुरुष लोगों के लिए आता है। The word masculine comes for male people. Clear? Like a boy, brother, father. Understand? All these words belong to masculine gender. The next one is feminine gender. Feminine gender is the gender that comes to denote female people, female class. Like woman, a girl, sister, mother, grandmother, aunt, and etc. Understand? Now, common gender. What is common gender? A word that comes for both male and female. For example, a doctor. Ladies doctor are also known as doctor, and male doctors are also known as doctor. There is only one word for doctor. Similarly, engineer, teacher. Understand? All these words, whatever I am saying, they stand for both. They stand for both male and female. Clear? Male means purush and female means stri. And the fourth kind of gender is neutral gender. A word that comes from non-living things, insects and infants. Understand? वह शब्द जो निर्जीव चीजों के लिए आता है, उसके बाद कीड़े मकोड़े और उसके बाद नवजात शिशु, ये तीनों चीज न्यूट्रल जेंडर के अंदर आते हैं। दे बिलोंग टू न्यूट्रल जेंडर। और इनके लिए हम इट शब्द का जो प्रोनाउन इस्तेमाल करते हैं, कौन सा प्रोनाउन इस्तेमाल करते हैं? इट। क्लियर? तो ये जो चैप्टर था नाउन ऑफ जेंडर। अब इसके बाद जो चैप्टर बचता है नाउन से संबंधित, रिलेटेड विथ नाउन, इज नंबर ऑफ नाउन। मीन्स countable noun, singular countable noun has been divided into two numbers, singular number and plural number. Singular means one and plural means many. Singular means one and plural means many. A boy is coming. This is example of singular noun. Boys are coming. This is example of plural noun. Understand? And before closing it, there are some rules to make from singular to plural. Understand? So before this, we must know only singular countable noun can be made plural. Understand? Only singular countable noun, not uncountable noun. Clear? And uncountable noun is considered, always considered as singular. So, the rules of making plural will be taught in my next class, not today. Till then, thank you, good evening. And before ending my lecture, I would like to also request my students. Time is money. Yesterday, I said on the importance of mask. Why should we put on mask? Because it saves from the attack of COVID-19. And today, I am going to say you very valuable things. Time is money. Means time is costly. So, we must not misuse our time. We should always try to use our time. Because the time which passed, which crosses, will never come back again.